Good morning, children. Trigonometry continues. I suppose you remember the formulas. Which are the sets? First the ratios, then the inverses of it, complementary ratios, then the 5 additional formulas. That is sine upon cos, cos upon sine, tan into tan 90 minus, cot into cot 90 minus, tan into cot. Suppose all these formulas are well learned by you. Okay, not over, still more. Okay, I have drawn two right angle triangles over here. The first one is 30 degree and 60 degree acute angles. Next is 45 degree acute angles. Now we are learning with trigonometric ratios. We have learned somewhere in the previous chapters 30 60 90 degree theorem. Do you remember that? In a right angle triangle 30 60 90, that the length of the side of the opposite 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Similarly, of opposite of 60 degrees root 3 upon 2. Similarly, for 45 degrees also you can find using Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Using that, these values are fixed. Suppose I say sine 45. Sine 45 means opposite upon hypotenuse. I can find the value of opposite and hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. Consider this as A and the other one also, and then you can find it. Suppose I say cos 60. Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent upon hypotenuse. 30, 60, 90, you know that it is half of opposite 30 is half of the hypotenuse, and opposite 60 is root 3 upon 2. So these values are fixed. Values are fixed for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay. How many measures are there? 5 measures. So for these measures, these values are fixed. For sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now we shall see how to write it. Anyway, you have to learn it by heart. So only I will show you how to learn it by heart. One line you have to learn by heart. The remaining will be very easy for you to do it. Okay. So let's learn it. The methods are given. How we get these values are given to you in the textbook. You can go refer to that. In case if you want any clarification, let me know. But that is not more important. Important is that you should know the values. That is sine 0, sine 30, cos 30, cos 45, sine 45, tan 45. These values you have to learn by heart. And you have to prepare a table. I will show you that. Okay. Okay. As I said, there are 5 measures. The measures you should remember well. Measures are written over here. So top you will have 6 columns. First is for the angle, and below that you will be writing the ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. And then horizontally you will be writing 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. How do you read it? Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 90, whatever. Okay. Now, this first line, this much you should remember first. First what you should remember, that is why I said that order you should never forget. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. And this side 5 measures are the angle. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Now this first line you should learn by heart. First line you should learn by heart. What is that? 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. So and values are lying between 0 and 1. It is not bigger than 1. Okay, between 0 and 1. So 0, then half. 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. This you learn by heart. Just close your eyes, learn by heart. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Please repeat that. This you have to learn by heart. In case if you make one mistake in this, entire table will become wrong. So you cannot forget this order. Only 5. 0. After 0, half. Okay, 0, 1 upon 2. Then 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. So these two only little difficult to remember. 0, 1 upon 2. After 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2. Then root 3 upon 2, 1. Please learn it by heart. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Now to write cos, you write the inverse of all this. That is, start writing from here. 1 root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. Just understood? That is sine 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Now cos, just write from here in the other order. So 1 root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. Okay, that is sine 0 is cos 90. Cos 0 is sine 90. I suppose these two lines are clear to you. First line, learn by heart. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Cos, write the other order way. Start from here. 1 root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. These columns of the 2 will always remain, so that you can see later. Now for the third line that is tan. What is tan? Sine upon cos. That this upon this, this upon this, this upon this, this upon this, this upon this. What is this upon? 0 upon? 0 upon anything is 0. Now 1 upon 2, root 3 upon 2. Now when we are looking at this upon this, don't look at the denominators. What is the numerator over here? 1 upon. Second one's numerator will be the denominator. This upon this. Denominators get cancelled. Okay, you can see the denominators are same. So you get cancelled. So 1 upon root 3. 1 upon 1, 1. Root 3 upon 1, root 3. 1 upon 0. When 0 is in the denominator, it is undefined. When 0 is in the denominator, it is undefined. Okay. So I repeat how to get third line. Third is tan. Tan is sine upon cos. That is this upon this. When you consider this upon this, you only look at the numerator. 0 upon 1, 0. Look at the numerator. 1 upon root 3. So what is in the second line will come in the denominator part. Okay. 1 upon root 3. 1 upon 1, 1. Root 3 upon 1, root 3. Because the denominators get cancelled. Now cot, again write this in the reverse order. So you will start undefined, root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3, 0. Okay, just the other order. Now how to get sec? Sec, I told you the inverse of cos. Sec is the inverse of cos. So how to get it? Inverse. Inverse of this upside down. So 1 upon 1, 1. This will be 2 upon root 3. This will be root 2 upon 1, that is root 2. 2 upon 1, 2. Now here what will we have? 1 upon 0. That is again undefined. Okay. Now the last line, cosec. It is the inverse of sine, so you don't have to look for that. You just write the other order of it. Undefined, 2, root 2, 2 upon root 3, 1. That's it. Now, cos, cot, cosec. Cos, cot, cosec. These three tables are the reverse order of the previous one. Cos is the reverse order of sine. Cot is the reverse order of tan. Cosec is the reverse order of sec. So these three lines are clear. First line you are learning by heart. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Then write the reverse order for cos. Now for tan, we are writing sine upon cos. That is this upon this, this upon this, this upon this, this upon this, this upon this. Now 1 upon 0, that 0 in the denominator is not defined, so we write it as undefined. Okay. Now if you look at it, everywhere denominator is same, so get cancelled. So this will come in the numerator, this will be the denominator actually. So when you write for tan, this is in the numerator, this is in the denominator. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. But denominator one side you are not writing. Only for sec, okay, cot is again reverse order. Sec inverse of cos. Sec is inverse of cos. So you write the inverse of it. That is denominator become numerator, numerator become denominator. Okay. Now one thing remember, 45-degree columns. Sine and cos is same, cot and tan is same, sec and cosec is same. Okay. So please remember that also in mind. Sine cos 45 is same, tan cot 45 is same, sec cosec 45 is same. Today we have learned only how to write this table. These are known values. There will be some values which are not known. Suppose you are asked about sine 46. Do you know the value? You don't know. But if these values are come, that is sine 45, sine 30 or cos 90, we can directly substitute these values. So for that we should know these values. First line you should learn by heart. Then for the exam, you first only draw this table, write the values and give. You have to remember at least first three well. Remaining I think you can do it. You have to learn actually all. Okay. So please write and learn well. Practice it. Practice writing the table. Check again whether you have got it correct. First line learn by heart. Don't forget these measures also. Then what is the first line? 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Second line, reverse order. Third line, first two, numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Fourth line, reverse order. Fifth line, inverse of cos. That is why I told you that first formula. Inverses, you should know well. What is the inverse of sec, cos? Inverse means write the ups. Numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. Write the table. This you have to learn. You know how to write the table. When you finish writing also, please have a look at it. That is 45 degrees of sine cos, tan cos, sec cosec are same. Similarly here also. 0, 1, 0, undefined, 1, undefined. So keep some clues that you after writing also you should know how to check it out. You should not make a mistake over it. Okay. You should know this by heart, then only you can solve the problem set or the practices. Because you will be given directly sine 45 into 9 cos 60 into dash dash dash. So you have to just substitute the values, multiply it and get the answer. For that you should know it. So to know that you should know how to write the table. So please practice writing. Please practice writing. Use your rough papers, practice it please, not only for this year, for next year also. So please practice it. Don't try to learn it by heart the entire table, you can make mistakes. So keep this in mind, only the first line learn. It is between 0 and 1. 0, 1 upon 2, root 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Then reverse order, numerator, denominator. Then reverse order, inverse of cos, reverse order. Okay, please learn guys. Always please remember the values of sine and cos always lies between 0 and 1. It is not greater than that. Okay, 0 and 1. Now also I want you to learn one more formula. After this please write over there. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now equal to 1, this is the fourth one. Which are the ones we have learned? Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into cot 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. And now sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. With this we are stopping the formulas. All these formulas should be by heart for you. Okay.